Good morning, students. So let us start exercise 11.3, in which the first and second question you have to do yourself. This is your homework. Question number 3 is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. So the circumference is given and you have to find the radius. Also find the area. So after finding the radius, we need to find the area. So the circumference given is 154 meter. Okay. So the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. That is equals to 154 meters. Now to find the value of r, we need to transpose 2 pi to the right hand side. So r equals to 154 divided by 2 pi. So that I can write 154 divided by 2 multiplied by 22. And then this 7 goes on the numerator. So you need to solve it. So after solving, we'll get 24.5 meter is the radius after finding it out. Now we need to find the area. So for area, what is the formula? Pi r square. So in place of pi, 22 by 7 and r square. So r we have just find out. So I'm putting that value. 24.5 multiplied by 24.5, and you have to just calculate the value to find out the area. After calculating, it is 1886.5 meter square. So this is the solution for question number 3. Now students, let us start question 4. In this, a circular garden is given with the diameter 21 meter, and the gardener of this garden want to fence it with the rope, and with the 2 rounds of rope he want to fence. So to calculate the value, like the length of the rope, we need to find its circumference. But for the 2 rounds, we need to multiply it by 2 later. Okay. So now diameter of circular garden given is 21 meter. So length of rope required to fence the circular garden one time is its circumference, which is equals to pi d. The formula is pi d. Why I am applying pi d? Because the diameter is given. So pi here is 22 by 7 multiplied by d is 21 meter. Okay. So after calculation, the answer is 7 3s are 21. So 66 meter will be the length of the rope one time. Okay. Now rope required for 2 rounds of fence. So we need to multiply it by 2. That is 132 meters. Now cost of 1 meter rope. Now we need to calculate the cost as well. What is the cost of 2 rounds of rope? So cost of 1 meter is given, that is rupees 4. So total rope which is required is 132 meter. So cost of 132 meter will be rupees 4 multiplied by 132. So that is 528 after calculation. So this is the answer which we require. Now question 5, students. This is your homework. You have to do it yourself. And this is similar to example 19 on page number 222. Okay. Now question number 6, in which there is a girl Saima who wants to put a lace around a circular table cover. Okay, and the diameter of the circular table cover is given to us 1.5 meter, and we need to calculate the length which is required for the lace to put around the circular table cover. So lace required to put on the edge of circular table cover is what we need to find out. Its circumference. So that is pi d, because the diameter is given. So 3.14 into 1.5 meter is the value of the diameter. Now after solving, it will become 4.71 meter the circumference. Now cost of 1 meter lace is given as rupees 15, and we need to find out the cost for the lace which is required to put around the circular table cover. So what we need to write, cost of 1 meter lace given to us, that is rupees 15. So cost of 4.71 meter lace, that we need to find out. So for that 4.71 should be multiplied with 15. Fine. To calculate the complete cost, so that is 70.65 after solving. So this much rupees is required for the putting the lace around the circular table top. Now question number 7, students, that is you have to do yourself. This is your homework. It is just similar to example number 16 of page number 221. Now students, question number 8, in which there is a circular table, and in this circular table there is a top in which we have to polish. Okay, for polishing what we require? We require the circumference or the area. What we require? We need to polish here. So what is this? This is area. So we need to calculate the area of this circular top. So given things are diameter of the circular table top, that is 1.6 meter. So diameter is given, but in the area we require radius because the formula is pi r square. So from diameter we can calculate the radius. So its radius is diameter divided by 2. That is 1.6 meter will be divided by 2. So 0.8 meter will be its radius. Now area of circular table top, formula is pi r square. So pi is 3.14 and 0.8 will be the radius. So 0.8 whole square. So we need to solve it. So that will be 0.016 after solving it. No, I have written wrong. It is 0.64. Fine. Okay. Now after solving, we will get 2.0096 meter square. This will be the area of circular table top. But we need to find out the cost of polishing. So cost of polishing which is provided to us is for 1 meter square. That is rupees 15. We need to pay rupees 15 for 1 meter square. But the total is 2.0096 meters square. So to calculate for that, what we need to do? We need to multiply rupees 15 by 2.0096 meters square to calculate the complete cost of polishing. So after solving, the answer is rupees 30.14 approx. Because other decimal places there will be other digits. So we used to write only 2 digits and approx we used to write. After this, question number 9 we are going to start. In this question, there is a girl Shazli who has a wire and he bent that wire in a shape of a circle. Now, if you bend the wire in shape of a circle, basically what you are using? You are using the circumference. So, length of that wire is given to us, which is 44 centimeter. It means what we have? We have the measurement of the circumference. So, this is given one thing. And what they are asking? They ask that what is the area of the circle? Okay. I am dividing this question into 2 parts. First we will do here and then I will tell you what they are asking next. So wire of 44 centimeter is bent to make a circle. So its circumference will be 44 centimeter only. And we need to calculate the area of this circle. For area what we need? We need radius. So for radius we need to just put the formula for circumference here. 2 pi r equals to 44 centimeter. Okay, and to calculate the r, I am taking this 2 pi on the other side. Okay, so now putting the value of pi 2 into 22, and the 7 will come in denominator. So sorry, in the numerator. So 2 to the 4 and 22 will cut. Now 7 centimeter will be the radius of this circle. Now it is easy for us after getting the radius to calculate the area. Now pi r square is the formula for area. Now pi 22 by 7, radius r 7. So 7 into 7 r square. 7 that is be 154 centimeter square will be the area of circle. Now what they are saying in the second part. The second part is this. The wire which this Shazli was having, now she again take the same wire and from that only with the same size wire she made the square this time. Okay, size is same. So to make the square, if she is using the same wire, means what is given to us? Means the perimeter of the square we are having. Okay, so same wire is bent to make a square. So again in this also we need to calculate the area of the square. To find the area of square, what should we need? What should we have? So that is, we require the side of the square. So to calculate the side from the perimeter, we are going to do that. So its perimeter. Perimeter is 44 centimeter. And what is the formula for perimeter of square? That is 4 into side. That is equals to 44 centimeter. So what will be the side? So 4 will be transposed on the other side, that is 44 divided by 4. So comes out to be 11 centimeter. This comes out to be the side. Now we need to calculate the area. How we can calculate the area of square? Formula you know, side into side. Means 11 multiplied by 11, that is 121 centimeter. Fine. What next they are saying? They are saying which one is having the more area. Because they have used the same wire, now asking which one is having the more area, the square or the circle. So you can clearly see that this is centimeter square. Clearly see that 154 is more than 121. So we can say as 154 centimeter square is greater than 121 centimeter square. Hence, who is holding the more area? Hence, the area of circle is more. So, this is the complete question answer. Now, question number 10, students. In this question, there is a circular card sheet which is given to us. And its radius is also given. And inside the circular card sheet, we're going to cut two smaller circles like this and one small rectangle. And the radius of this circle is also given to us, and the length and breadth of this rectangle is given to us. And what they are asking, that after cutting this three pieces, two circles smaller and one rectangle from the circular card sheet, what is the area which is left? Okay, so for that we will calculate the complete area and the separate area. And if from the complete area, if we subtract this and this area, then we can get the area for the remaining piece. So for that, let us start. Radius of circular card sheet which is given to us is 14 centimeter. So what will be its area? The formula pi r square. So to apply that, 22 by 7 multiplied by 14 into 14, so 44, and after solving we'll get the area as 616 centimeter square. Now radius of the smaller circle we need to calculate. So for that, 3.5 centimeter is the radius which is given, and its area with the same formula as it is a circle. So pi r square, 22 by 7 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. So after solving this, we have 38.5 centimeter square, area of the smaller circle. But the circles are 2, not 1. So for 2, we need to multiply this by 2. So 2 multiplied by 38.5 centimeter square. So area of two smaller circles will become 77 meter square. Now length of rectangle is given, that is 3 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle, this rectangle is given 1 centimeter. So to area, we need to multiply length with breadth. So length into breadth, so 3 into 1 centimeter square So 3 centimeter square will be the area of the rectangle. Now time to calculate the area of remaining circle. So what we need to do, area of bigger circle means this circle, circular card sheet, minus area of two small circles or smaller circles we can write, minus area of rectangle. So that we can do 616 minus what? 77. Then subtract 1 centimeter square. We need to do that. So after solving this, we can get the result as 536 centimeter square. So this is the question 10.